boys and girls, and it's all gone tits up. I knew it was going to happen. As soon as I started playing with this wire, the engine decided not to work again. I knew it was going to happen. So let's show you this mess. Look at this. Look at this mess. I know. Look at it all. As soon as I started playing with it, engine didn't want to work. So as you can see, I got a diagnostic machine. Lucky enough for me, I bumped into one of my subscribers. You know who you are. Thank you very much. And he said, don't worry, I got a diagnostic machine you can lend to see if we can see what's going on. The love everybody showed me, I can't thank you enough, and I will give you some love back. If you need it, you need anything, you just let me know and I'll try my best to help you out or point you in the right direction, as you guys are doing for me. Can't thank you enough for that. So we're going to plug this in. Fingers crossed it tells us what is or what isn't going on. So further ado, let's get to it. Okay, let's get this, plug this into here. Never used one of these before, that's always the first time. And this is the connector we need. Let's plug that into there. Oh, power. Okay. We want Audi. Enter. I don't know what any of that means. Auto link is in progress. It's clicking away. Unable to establish a link with the vehicle. Verify connection at the DLC. Verify that the ignition switch is on. Yeah, it is on. It is on, see? Let's try it again. Okay, escape. Let's try that. Okay, didn't like that. Let's try it again. Something clicking away here. Okay, it's not working. Well, can't get a connection, so I don't know what I've done. If anybody can help, let me know, because I'm pulling my hair out now and I can't go on with this until we find out what the problem is. So I'm at a standstill now, to be honest with you. I'm a bit upset, as you can imagine, and I got that mess and one big headache, and I don't know what to do, because wiring is not my not one of my skills that I do have, so I'm kind of in a dark here, to be honest with you, and don't know what to do. I think I got it. I've methodically gone through all this wiring, checking it all, and I found one wire out of a loop. Just one wire. And I've connected it back up. So here we go. Yeah! Woo! We're back on it, baby! Yes! Woo! That nearly set me back a year, that did. But we found it. Woo! And thank you for my subscriber for lending that computer to try and find out what it is, even though we couldn't get it to work. But I spent about 16 hours now going through all this wiring. One friggin' wire. Right, see you in the next one.